Jai Hind students, again welcome to live class. Today we will discuss next exercise, division of algebraic expression. Students, hope everyone completed up till exercise 6b, that is the multiplication part. Today we will discuss its division part. Students, now keep in your hand book, notebook and pen. Now let us start, students. The first one, their rule is given. You can see page number 87. There the first rule is given. If x is a variable, and m and are positive integers such that m is greater than n. That means by the exponent rule, you can see here x and divide x over n. X over n divide x power n. Here the condition is given, m should greater than n. Clear? X power n divide x power n, in which m should greater than n. Then we can write x, the divide form, by exponent law, when divide form and base is the common, then power will be subtract n minus n. This portion also you can write this way, x power n upon x power n equal x n minus n. Students, suppose if there is given n is greater than n. Same case is here, but n is greater than n. N is greater than n. Then how you will write? First of all, you have to convert. See this one or this form. Here n is greater than, so m will come. This m will come. Its denominator. Like this, 1 upon x n minus n. This way we will write. If the condition is given n is greater than m, means you have to check which value is greater. Suppose we are just giving the example. We have written here x power 4 divide x power 7. See, 4 is like m, 7 is like n, which, and here the condition is the same, 7 is greater than 4, n is greater than m. First of all we will change this form, x power 4 upon x power 7, then x power 4 1 upon x power 7 minus 4 equal 1 upon x power 3. If you want to send on numerator part, so when x power 3 will come above, so it's all value positive. When it will come in the numerator, it will be minus 3. This way. X power 4 upon x power 7, 1 upon x power 7 minus 4, because 4 will go this side. Okay? 1 upon 7 minus 4, 3, and when you want to x power cube, keep in the numerator part. So we have to write this way. This all value will be in minus. Also, I think, is it clear? One other also you can do this way. X power 4. Now you have to send the 7. If you want to show in numerator part each and everything, then you can do this way. The other part you will send its power part, you should send its numerator power. Now what will come? X 4 minus 7 plus 4 and minus 7. So minus is greater, so minus 3. This way also you can do. So clear, students? Now going to next topic that given here. Students, see everyone on your book. There is given division of a monomial by a monomial. Division division of a monomial by a monomial. Clear students? Division of monomial by a monomial. Here example is given 8x square then y cube by minus 2xy. Students, this is example. So how we will do this, students? First of all, 8x square y cube divide minus 2xy. Okay, because by not meaning of the divide, so we will write place of by divide form. We will change as a fraction form x square y cube upon minus 2xy. You know, we cannot write the minus in denominator, so always we multiply by minus 1 and minus 1, so automatic minus will come, it's the numerator part, so there is no need to show, we can write directly here minus 8x square y cube, because this is the standard form 2xy. Clear students? Now the numeric minus minus 8 upon 2. Okay, minus 8 upon 2. Now x power 2 here x power 1. 1 will go the in denominator part, x power 2. This one will go its numerator minus 1. And multiply y power 3 and here y power 1. Y power 1, this value will go in numerator 3 minus 1. 2 1 are 2 and this one is 4. So what will come? Minus 4. And x 2 minus 1, that is 1. So only x will come. X power 1. And y power 3 minus 1, what will come? Y power 2. So what answer will be? Answer is minus 4x and y square. Again I am telling students. This form we can write in such a way 8x square y cube upon minus 2x. Clear? Minus will stand minus 8x square y cube upon 2xy. Now students, minus 8 upon 2, x power 2 is there, it's numerator. And denominator they have 1 will go up, then it will be minus, because they are given in plus, so when it will go the above, it will be minus. Similar for y power 3 and y power 1, y power 3 is the above and 1 will go up, that is minus 1. 2 1 are 2, that is 4, minus 4. And x power 2 minus 1, that is x power 1. And y power 3 minus 1, then y power 2. So answer will be minus 4x y square. It will be your answer. Okay students, clear? Next one is given, next rule is given, division of a polynomial by a monomial. Students see here one. I think understood? Students, next example I am taking. Of a polynomial See here, the one example 2 is given 6x power 5 plus 18x power 4 minus 3x square minus 3x square by 3x square. Okay students, you can see here 6x power 5 plus 18x power 4 minus 3x square by 3x square. How we can write? Because a single monomial and monomial is given, then no problem, we can write with fraction form. But how we will write this one? First of all, 6x power 5 plus 18x power 4 minus 3x square divide 3x square. First of all, we will write this way, students, but we will write as a fraction form because one is polynomial and this is a monomial, so we can write here 6x power 5 this such way, 6x 5 plus 18x power 4 minus 3x square upon 3x square. This way we will write, students. And you know students, suppose x plus y is given and upon 2 is given. And when you want to divide, we can write this way, x upon 2 plus y upon 2. This 2 will distribute in two variables, x upon 2 and y upon 2. And between this there are plus sign. Such way we will do this. 6x power 5, 6x power 5 upon 3x square. 3x square, we distributed all these three terms. Then plus, between their sign is plus 18x power 4 upon 3x square. Then minus 3x square upon 3x square. 6x power 5 upon 3x square, 18x power 4 upon 3x square minus 3x square upon 3x square. You can see here 6 upon 3, 6 upon 3, x power 5 and x power 2. So x power 5, 2 will come on numerator part minus 2. Similar, that is plus sign 18 upon 3 and x power 4 here, x power 2. 2 will come, it's a denominator, numerator. So x power 4 minus 2 minus 3x square upon 3x square. So 3 upon 3 and x power 2 minus 2. This way we will write as the exponential form here written. Students, after that, what we have to do? Now we are writing just above it. What we will do, students? 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. 3 1 is 3, 3 6 is 18. 3 1 is 3, then 3 1 is 3. So here 2 upon 1, that is 2. X 5 power 5 minus 2, that is x power 3. Plus 6 4 minus 2, that is 2. Then 6 x power 2 minus, students, 1 upon 1, that is 1. X 2 minus 2, that is x power 0. Clear, students? Now 2x cube as like the same plus 6x square minus 1x power 0. You know, students, if any variable or any number have a 0, its value always come 1. So 1, this one is into 1. What will be answer? 2x cube plus 6x square minus 1. It will be your answer. Student, see everyone again. Next, there is given, turn your page number 88. There are some states are given. Okay, we will discuss. when we now their procedure is given, steps are given. So you will read this, and these things we will understand you with a question. Okay. Now we are just going to start exercise. So exercise 6C. Question number 1. Hope you understood. Okay. Now students, question number 1, exercise 6C. Divide. The first one is given 2x 24 x square then y cube by 3xy. Such a term we have already discussed example, but again we will discuss here. How we will write 24x square y cube divide from 3xy, or in fraction form 24x square y cube upon 3xy. Okay students, now 24 upon 3 multiply x square, this is a 1, this one is also 1. So x power 2 minus 1 multiply y power 3 minus 1. 3 1 is 3 and 3 8 is 24. Here 8 will come, multiply x power 2 minus 1, then x power 1, then multiply 3 minus 1 and y power 2. Then we can write 8xy square. It will be your answer. Students, so note it down. Now it's the third part. It's the third part. Minus 72 x square y square z by minus 12xyz. Minus 72 x square y square z by minus 12xyz. Hope everyone done. First of all, you write the format. Clear? Divide format. X square y square z divide form minus 12xyz. Clear students? This way. After that, students, in fraction form minus 72 x square y square z upon minus 12 x y z. Students know, if minus is both in numerator and denominator, it will be cancelled. Okay, we have cancelled here. Now 72 upon 12, 72 upon 12 multiply x power 1 here, y power 1, z power 1. So x power 2 minus x power 1, x power 2 minus 1 multiply y power 2 minus 1, and z here only is single, that is 1, so multiply z 1 minus 1. 12 upon 72 x power 2 upon x power 1, 2 minus 1, y power 2 upon y power 1, 2 minus 1, z power 1, that is 1 minus 1 equal 12 1 is 12, 12 6 is 72. 6 multiply 2 minus 1 and x power 1 multiply y power 2 minus 1, y power 1 into z 1 minus 1, that is 0. Clear students? How 1 minus 1, that is 0. and if any variable or any number having a 0th power, so its value will come 1. Students, you can think that how the z power 0, we are just writing the 1. Look, a common example, z upon z. When you will cut it, what will come? 1. Clearly students, z upon z, that is 1, or z power 1 upon z power 1, that is z1 minus 1, then z power 0. So why we are writing 1? Because with this 1, we are just getting the 1. So by this proof, we can say if any number or any variable having a power 0, then we can write the 1. Clear students? So six x y, and this values will come in 1. So 6x y into 1, 6x y. It will be your answer. Noted down students. Now its second question. Question number second. First, it is the whatever you have done, this is polynomial by polynomial. Monomial by monomial. But now, what you have to do? Polynomial by monomial. See one, there is given 5m cube minus 30m square plus 45m by, there is given monomial 5m. This is the polynomial. This is polynomial and that one is monomial. This 5m. Hope everyone done. Students, now your y is given. First we have to convert, divide form 5m cube minus 30m square plus 45m, then it is form of divide 5. Okay, now 5m will divide all these terms. 5m cube we will write this way. In example we have told you 30m square plus 45m upon 5m. Clear students? Now we will separate 5m cube upon 5m minus 30m square upon 5m plus 45m upon 5m. 5m square upon 5m minus 30m square upon 5m plus 45m upon 5m. Clear students? This way. 5m means 5 upon 5. M power 2, that is m power 1. Then m power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Then minus 30 upon 5. 30 upon 5. M power 2 minus 1 again. Then plus 45 upon 5. And 1 minus 1. This way we have to write. Clear? 5 upon 5, it is cancelled 1 and 1. And m2 minus 1, 1. Means only m will come. Only m. 5, then minus 5 under 5, that is 6. 6 and 2 minus 1, that is the 1. So 6 and clear here. Sorry students, there and q is written. Wait, and q, and 3, that is and 3. Okay, so 3 minus 1, that is 2 will come, m square. Okay, m power 2 minus 1, that is the m, plus 45. This one is 5 minus 5, 5 9, plus 9 and 1 minus 1, that is 0. So m square minus 6m plus, you know, m0 value is m power 0, 1. So 1 into 9, that is 9. It will be your answer. Students, note it down. Now it's third part. Its third part is given. Nine x square y minus 6xy plus 12xy square by minus 3x. Hope everyone noted. Yes, students, 9x square y minus 6xy plus 12xy square. Divide form minus 3xy. Same here, two monomials. So 9x square y minus 6xy plus 12xy square upon minus 3xy. Friends, now separate it. Clear? We will separate it. 9x square y upon minus 3xy, then minus 6xy upon minus 3xy plus 12xy square upon minus 3xy. Students, see 9x square upon minus 3xy. So 9 upon minus 3, that is minus 3 can write above, and x power 2 into x power 2 then x power 1. Okay, so x power 2 minus 1 and y power 1 minus 1. This will be 9 upon 3, that is minus 9 upon 3, x power 2 upon x power 1, that is x 2 minus 1. X power 1, x power 1, then y power 1 minus 1. This way. And here similar, minus 6 upon minus 6 upon 3. And x 1 minus 1 and y both having the 1 1. So y 1 minus 1. 12xy square plus 12 upon minus will come above, then x power 1, y power 1, then x power 1 minus 1 and y power 2 minus 1. This way. Again I am telling you students. 9 upon 3 minus 9 upon 3 minus will on the middle. X power 2 here x power 1. So x power 2, this one will go up, 2 minus 1. Y power 1, that is y1 minus 1. 6 upon minus 3 minus 6 upon 3. and x power 1, x power 1, x 1 minus 1, y 1 minus 1, plus minus 12 upon 3, x power 1, x power 1, then x power 1 minus 1, and y power 2 and y power 1, so 1 will go up, 2 minus 1. Okay, clear students? Next, this one will be cancelled, minus 3, 1, minus 2, minus 4, minus 3, x power 2 minus 1, that is x power 1 or x, y power 1 minus 1, then y power 0, clear? Minus see here, this minus and this minus into plus, okay, 2 x power 0 and y power 0, here minus plus minus, so minus 4 x power 0 and y power 1, y power 0 value is 1, so minus 3x will come, plus 2x power 0, y power 0, both is 1, so 2 into 1, that is 2, minus 4 x power 0, 1, so 4y, so answer will come minus 3x minus 4y plus 2. We will write this way. So students, note it down. Noted? Okay students, today we have discussed, I think noted everyone. Today we have discussed it's an example, exercise 6 example you have understood, divide by monomial, polynomial by monomial, and question number 1, there are 2 questions we have told, and question number 2, there are 2 questions. Okay, all these questions you have understood. Clear? So today I am giving the homework. Question number 1 and 2, these all are questions. Exercise 6C, question number 1 and question number 2. Okay, it will be your homework. And it's the next question number 3rd. We will discuss on next class, students, and you all are write all the things in notebook. Okay, so students, hope everyone understood. So now I am leaving the class. Take care students. Jai Hind students.